Proverbs 19:23 Fear of the Lord lead to life, bringing security and protection from harm. Proverbs 22:4 True humility and fear of the Lord lead to riches, honor, and long life. Proverbs 15:33 Fear of the Lord teaches wisdom, humility prizes honor. Proverbs 14:27 Fear of the Lord, life-giving fountain, it offers escape from the snares of death. Proverbs 14:26 Those who fear Lord's sake will be a refuge for their children. Proverbs 10:27 Fear of the Lord lengthens one's life, but the ears of the wicked are cut short. Proverbs 9:10 Fear of the Lord is a foundation of wisdom. Knowledge of the Holy One results in good judgment. Proverbs 16:6 Unfailing love and faithfulness make adamant fortune. By fearing the Lord, people avoid evil. Proverbs 31:30 Charm is virtue, beauty does not last, but a woman who fearing the Lord will be greatly praised. Proverbs 8:13 All who fear the Lord will hurt evil. Therefore, I hate pride, arrogance, corruption, and perverse speech.